In this lesson, we're going to learn how to say goodbye or farewell in Te Reo Māori, the Māori language. The first way to say goodbye is ka kite anō. Ka kite anō. It's short for ka kite anō I a koe, which means I will see you again. The second way we say goodbye is haere rā or e noho rā. This is a little bit more tricky, so let me break down the terms. Haere is to go or leave, so haere rā is how you'd say farewell to someone who's leaving. The response to that is e noho rā, which means to stay or sit. In this context, it's to stay. If I'm leaving, I'll call out to te Ataakura, e noho rā. She'll respond, haere rā. It can be a little bit confusing at times because sometimes you're the person leaving and other times you're the person staying. But practice makes perfect. The third way to say goodbye is mā te wā, similar to ka kite anō, but instead of saying I will see you again, you're saying time will bring us together again. Pretty cool, eh? The last way is hei te ringa or hei te ihu, which translates to when our hands shake again or when our noses touch again. Te Reo Māori is a very poetic language. These are a few of the many ways we can say goodbye. That's all for our lesson. I'm leaving now, so e noho rā.